Today we make 1 pot pork rib noodles. First, put rock sugar into a hot pan. We stir to make a shiny caramel color. Watch the sugar melt into red-brown gloss. Next, add pork ribs to the caramel oil. Stir so sugar coats the rib surface evenly. This makes the ribs look appetizing and rich. Add soy sauce now for some salty flavor. Follow with dark soy for deeper color tone. Next, add oyster sauce. Now add spices: chili, star, anise, cinnamon. These lift the pork aroma and complexity. Stir well so ribs and spices mix evenly. You see the smell? So mouth-watering already. Next, pour in boiling water, never cold. Water should just cover the ribs fully. Cover the pot and simmer for 20 minutes. Time's up. Now remove some pork broth. Take about 9 spoonfuls for the noodles later. Now, add green beans to the ribs pot. These beans were cut to nice length earlier. Stir gently to coat them in the rib sauce. Cover and cook another 15 minutes slowly. Beans soak up the rich, savory pork broth. See the color? Green beans and ribs shine. Next, add potato strips prepared earlier. Stir potatoes, beans, and ribs together now. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom pan. The aroma fills your kitchen like a restaurant. No need for complicated steps or tools here. Just simple ingredients, full of flavor. The pork ribs are tender and juicy every bite. Green beans still have a slight fresh crunch. Potatoes melt into the sauce gently and fully. Now it's time for fresh noodles on top. Lay them neatly above the meat and vegetables. Pour the reserved pork broth over the noodles. Cover the pot and simmer on low for 15 minutes. Check time. Noodles soak in rich, meaty flavor slowly. Stir noodles gently to loosen them. Noodles absorb the broth perfectly from below. Mixing everything brings color, flavor, and fun. Pour remaining sauce from bottom over noodles. Cover again. Simmer another 5 minutes. Now stir everything together carefully. Sprinkle green onions for freshness and color. Mix gently to keep noodles fluffy and soft. Look at that shine on the ribs and noodles. The sauce has thickened into rich braised flavor. It's a Chinese comfort dish for any dinner night. Easy dinner recipe with meat, vegetables and noodles. Family dinner idea that everyone will enjoy. Add minced garlic for aroma and taste. Sprinkle chopped spring onion on top too. Stir gently. Your one-pot noodles is ready. Mix one last time to coat everything evenly. Try it yourself at home this weekend or tonight. Follow the steps and you get perfect results. The aroma alone will make everyone hungry. Soft noodles, tender ribs, and savory beans. Potatoes add an extra layer of comfort flavor. Now it's ready to serve straight from the pot. Perfect Chinese one-pot meal for dinner table. Enjoy this braised rib and green bean noodles dish. Your one-pot pork rib noodles is complete.